Okay, we got cut off. So we looked at our neighbor joining tree. It looks like this. Fabulous. One weird thing is you have to close this window or you can't zoom any future windows. So close it. So then we're going to run the likelihood. Remember that F81 is our model that we're going to use. And so it's giving you, it'll kick back a few warnings, but that's okay. Like these things are all still going to work. Does that make sense? And we know that because we ran that. Something happened over here. Like it has a list and everything. Then we're going to bootstrap trees. So now we're just resampling over and over and over so that we can give it some sort of score of how good these trees are. And then we're going to fit the data into the right shape and plot your likelihood tree. Anytime that little stop sign pops up over here, that means it's working. So don't try to like click it a million times while it's working or it'll be sad. This weird red stuff here is just because the newest version of this program has changed how it's calling the titles, but it's fine. Okay, and now we have a maximum likelihood tree. And if we zoom in on that, we see that there's really strong support for this differentiation between these two isolates and the rest of these. That's interesting. There's a fair amount of support that these are all sharing a most recent common ancestor compared to these. And if we were actually doing this research paper, we would have looked up more information about these and I could tell you more things, which I can't yet, but I could read that article we found. And now you have your likelihood tree for your final project. This wasn't that bad. It took us 15 minutes or a little bit over. We're at like 18 minutes and we've done it. Okay, you can do it.